No, this is me and Brandy's spot.
And that right girl.
Wow, so many kids out here.
All my friends are having kids right now.
My whole family ask me all the time what the holdup is.
Yeah, what is the holdup? What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
Nothing. Nothing is wrong with me. Just have a cheating ex-boyfriend.
Sorry.
Thank you. But seriously, what's wrong with you?
Already? This is what you're... Playing ball? You know how it is. So I think I'll give it another try.
It's hard to compete with a lady like Brandy.
This is still just a dog date, right?
Yes. Still just a dog date.